Hi guys, it's Evie from So Squishy. Today we got this package from Ibloom and they are basically the new squishies. So let's open it up now. So now I'm going to take this off. Oh my god guys! These are the new squishies. So we got more of these. They are the Ibloom Takoyaki. So they come in pairs. This is the red color. And this is toppings. And this is the pink one. We also got more of these Melty Flavor tube. So we have these CheerLeaders Lollipop Girl. This is the pink one. Blue one. The purple Lollipop Girl. The yellow one with pink and blue and purple. The mint one, and they are so cute. So we have these omelette sleeping marshmallow bears. This one. And we also have this one, and they have different detail here. This one with a heart. This one has Japanese writing, and they also are hugging a tomato. And it has a pink mat. So that is all from this new Ibloom Squishy box. And we also have another squishy box coming in with the 9 stacked pancake new squishies. And you can purchase these in our shop, sosquishy.com.au. See you in our next video.